Hi, this is Lisa Thompson from the Panorama Portarlington development team. I'm out on site today to do a site inspection. Not a lot has been happening on site today as it's been wet weather for the past few days in Portarlington and the rest of Victoria. But in the past couple of weeks we've had lots of exciting progression on site. The retaining walls are going up at the front and back of lots. We're completing servicing, we're getting prepped for doing kerb and channel and laying road base. So everything is happening in stage 1 and 2. Now with stage 3, we've received council approvals to our stage 3 detailed design plans. So we are now ready to close out the tender for this stage and looking to commence works in the coming month. So it's all happening. Come take a walk with me, come and take a look. If you're ever down in Portarlington, please drop in, drive around site, take a look. It is all happening and we're so happy with how things are progressing. So come with me.